Hi, I'm Steve. Hi, I'm Steve with thegeeko.com. We service computers for home and business in Utah County and Salt Lake County. We have over 20 years of experience, so we can take care of you quickly. On site or in shop, you can bring it to us. We have a beautiful shop with 8 bays, or we can come to you, and we are available immediately. A couple of times this week, we had some rather simple things to cure. People's computers were dead as a doornail. Wouldn't start, wouldn't put anything on the screen, nothing would happen. Ended up diagnosing that a USB device was causing that to happen. A USB device can be something as simple as a USB flash drive, like this little guy right here. You use them all the time to carry data around. This is called USB because the end is a USB connector. Now that's the same kind of connector that you're going to find on the end of your external hard drive, and the same kind of end that you're going to find on the end of a printer cable. USB is a standard. It stands for Universal Serial Bus, and it's a standard way of connecting different things to the computer. I found that in one case a printer had locked up the computer, and as soon as we unplugged the printer cable, the computer came up and worked fine. In another instance, it was a memory card. The memory card was plugged into the front of a computer. You know, the memory cards that come in your cameras. And in another instance, it was an external hard drive. As soon as we unplugged the USB device, the USB cable that came from the external hard drive, the computer started right up. Once it was started, we were able to plug it in and it worked fine. So if you find that your computer is dead as a doornail, won't start, make sure everything's unplugged. Make sure all of the USB devices, printers, flash drives, etc. are unplugged, and then try it again. To really diagnose it, unplug everything but the power and the video cable that goes to your monitor, and see if it'll start up. This is Steve with the Geeko. Give us a call, 801-822-2086. We'd love to help you. Thanks.